Hello there, I just wanted to let you know that the 13th issue of this little beast, the Fenris Wolf, has just been published and is available via Amazon and other online booksellers. As usual, it's a real beast howling about what I call a smorgasbord of occulture and delightment. This issue is no different. It's very, very eclectic, very open-minded, and filled with stuff that will inform and inspire you. For a full list of the contents, please read the text, the notes to this video, but I just want to convey that I'm very happy, very proud that this book is now out, very grateful to the contributors, and I know that you will like this issue. If you like movies, if you like film as a visionary medium, if you're curious about the occult roots of cinema, etc., and satanic excursions into movie making and many, many other things, this book is for you. The Fenris Wolf 13 is available right now and you're gonna love it. Thank you.